finger abacus rules. Okay, small friend formula and the big friend formula as well. Small friend formula, it has two types of things, positive and negative things. Positive means, and each and every the small friend, we have to calculate the small friend 5 equal to 5. So plus 1, positive plus 1 is equal to 5 minus 4. Negative is minus 1 is equal to minus 5 plus 4. Positive again plus 2, 5 minus 3 plus 3, 5 minus 2 plus 4, 5 minus 1. And for the negative, minus 2 is equal to minus 5 plus 3, because it is minus negative formula. That's why the big number we have to put first. Big number means 5 is the biggest number than 3, then minus 5 plus 3, minus 3, negative 3 is minus 5 plus 2, again minus 4 is equal to minus 5 plus 1. Like the small friend formula is there. Then again the big friend formula. Big friend formula also, big friend means we have to calculate the numbers up to 10. So plus 1, positive plus 1, 10 minus 9, plus 2, 10 minus 8, plus 3, 10 minus 7, plus 4, 10 minus 6, plus 5, 10 minus 5, plus 6, 10 minus 4, plus 7, 10 minus 3, plus 8, 10 minus 2, plus 9, 10 minus 1. Then again we have to go to the negative formula. Minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 10, because 10 is the biggest number. So the negative sign we have to put before the biggest number. Minus 2, 8 minus 10, minus 3, 7 minus 10, minus 4, 6 minus 10, minus 5, 5 minus 10, minus 6, 4 minus 10, minus 7, 3 minus 10, minus 8, 2 minus 10, minus 9, 1 minus 10. So you have to remind this formula for the small friend formula and the big friend formula always. Otherwise it will not be easy for you to calculate. Then again I will calculate some of the 3-digit number with the use of the abacus. 200 plus 400 minus 100. So this one is the ones place. This is ones place, tens place and 100 place. So 200 means this is the all, we have to put the previous position. 200, 100, 200, then 400. There is no base here, so what I will do, 100, 200, then 300, 400. This is the 400, 4, that means plus 4. So plus 4 means 5 minus 1. This formula we have to check out. So now minus 100 means my answer is be 500. So 500 is my answer. Can you give me one sketch pen?
Okay.
Give one sketch pen. 500 is my answer. Next one is 200 plus 100 minus 100. 200 minus 100 plus 400. That means 200. 200 again. 200, this is 200 minus 100, then again 400. Plus 4 means plus 5 minus 1. This is the plus 4 formula. So plus 5 minus 1. Again my answer is the 500. So 500 sketch pen, give me. 500 is the answer. Give me one green color sketch pen. Then 100. This is 100, again 100, then again 300. 300 means there is no place, only 2 bits are there. So plus 3 formula is plus 5 minus 2. Plus 5 minus 2 means minus 200. So again my answer is the 500. My answer is the 500. What is this? All are 500. Anyway, 200 again. This is the tens place. Okay, 200 again 300. 3 means plus 5 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2 again 100. Again 100. So 600. 600 is my answer. Next is 400 plus 200 plus 100. 400 means 1 plus 10 plus 10. 100 plus 400. 400 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 400 plus 2. 200 means 200 means this is the 400, right? This is the 400. And 200. Please plus 2 plus 5 minus 3. So plus 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3 minus 3. This is the formula of 200. Then again 100. So 5, 6, 7. 700 is the answer, right? Then 200 plus 200 plus 200. 200 again back to the position, previous position. 200, 1, 2. 200 again 200. Then there is no bits are there. So what I have to do, I will take the 500. So plus 2 formulas, plus 5 minus 3. So plus 2 formulas, plus 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 600. 600 is my answer. 600 is my answer. Next one is 400. 1 plus 10 plus 100 plus. Okay, 400. 1, 2, 3, 400. 400, 100. 100 formulas. 5 plus 5 minus 4. Plus 5 minus 4. This is the 100. Again 100. So 5, 5, 5, 6. 600 is my answer. 600 is my answer. The next one is 200. 200 again back to the position. 200, 1, 2. 200 plus 2. 1, 2, 200. There is no place. Plus of 1 formula is plus 5 minus 4. This is the 100 formula. So my answer is the 500. This is the 3-digit finger abacus with the use of abacus tool.